Welcome back to another episode of On the Grill with Atiya Malik. I'm doing desserts today. So हम दो वेरिएशन करेंगे ऑन द ग्रिल के डिज़र्ट्स की. एक जो है वो बनाना बेस्ड है और एक पाइनएप्पल बेस्ड है. They're both going to go on the grill, and since they're going to be warm, so we're going to side them with ice cream, and we're going to grill our fruit. And let's see the ingredients. ये जो है कोकोनट, डेसिकेटेड कोकोनट है, ये पाइनएप्पल के लिए और आइसक्रीम के लिए, और ये ब्राउन शुगर के क्रिस्टल्स हैं, ये भी पाइनएप्पल के लिए. आई हैव अ मिक्स ऑफ चॉकलेट चिप एंड बटर स्कॉच चिप्स फॉर माई बनाना, एंड आई हैव foil because I'm going to wrap my banana in foil, whereas my pineapples will go straight on the grill. I'm going to start off by peeling the banana, placing it in the foil. ठीक है, इसके अंदर अब मैं इसके साथ चिप्स डालूंगी. I will now seal my banana in the foil. And I'm going to grill this. इसको ग्रिल करके आप अगर बनाना बोट की तरह भी बनाना चाहो तो वो भी हो जाएगा. अब इसको मैं सीधा ग्रिल के ऊपर रख रही हूँ और हाई फ्लेम है. I will let my banana cook for a little while. और अब मैं पाइनएप्पल को ग्रिल पे रखने लगी हूँ. So here goes the pineapples. Here we go. So I'm going to let these things grill for a little while. Till then, get your plating ready for the banana. Since it is a longer fruit, I am going to throw in some uncooked chips, ताकि जो उसके साथ मोल्टन होंगे उसके साथ साथ ये टेक्सचर ऐड हो जाएगा. जो कोकोनट है उसके लिए आई एम गोइंग टू थ्रो इन सम कोकोनट, पाइनएप्पल के लिए मैं कोकोनट डाल रही हूँ. इट्स अ ट्रॉपिकल फीलिंग, तो coconuts go really well with the pineapple. And I'm going to also throw in a little bit of the sugar here. और एक दफ़ा मैं पाइनएप्पल्स को टर्न कर लूँ तो मैं उसके ऊपर भी चीनी डालूँगी ताकि पाइनएप्पल के ऊपर एक ग्लेज आ जाए. I'm turning my pineapples. The heat is high, and now I'm going to put in some sugar on top just to add texture to my pineapple. It's a little hot, so mind you if you hear a scream. My fruits are on the grill. I have my plating ready. I have my ice cream here. I am just waiting for my fruit to actually caramelize a little more. एक दफ़ा वो caramelize हो जाए तो it will be perfect. I think I should move it to a little spot which is more high in flame. So मैं उसको पीछे move कर रही हूँ. When you're grilling, आपको एक्चुअली थोड़ी देर बाद खुद ही एहसास हो जाता है कि किस तरफ सेक ज़्यादा है, किस तरफ कम है. आपने अपने मीट को या अपने वेजिटेबल्स को या फ्रूट को किधर मूव करना है. सो इट रिक्वायर्स अ लिटिल कीन आई फॉर यू टू कीप अ ट्रैक वेयर you need to place your meat at a certain time. Once you know that, grilling is not very hard. Yes, you will have burns and you will have extra char grilled food in the beginning, or there are days, on and off days, nobody's perfect. So don't worry and don't let yourself down. Keep at it. ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. I'm sure you can do really well at it. Typically they say only men can man the grill. Today and in the series you've realized it is not only a man's job, but a woman can also do the same. So I hope the ladies don't shy away and try this at home. मैं सबसे पहले अपना पाइनएप्पल को निकालूंगी. So here's my pineapple. going on top of the coconut. It is however you like to plate it. Here are my pineapples. I would like to dust them a little more with coconut and a little more with the sugar just to add texture. And on the side I've gotten myself coconut ice cream. Okay? And I am going to plate it with the coconut ice cream. One of the first desserts is ready. It is a very light dessert. You could add a cake or a sponge to it. Get a pound cake, throw it on the grill also. It doesn't, just heat it up lightly, और वो भी आप बीच में डाल सकते हो. वो textural differences, if you want to introduce them, they are possible. I will take the banana out. I'm going to try to keep it in the foil since it is going to be hot. Not extremely hot, but if you notice, it is mushy and soft. And I am also going to place the same coconut ice cream with it. मगर अगर आप चाहो आप strawberry, chocolate और vanilla तीनों के scoops डाल के और बिल्कुल जिस तरह banana boat होती है वो बना सकते हो. So there is no shying away when it comes to what kind of ice cream you like. आप वो डालो और we are ready with our desserts. So here is my second dessert. Here is my first dessert. Today I've made two very easy on the grill desserts. Took me 5 minutes to make them. They don't take a lot of preparation either. They're very tasty. Let me know when you've tried them, and please subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.